It's dead?
Yeah.
No way.
It was like this.
Come on, man.
Look it. It was like that.
Man, electrical problems today. Somebody left a key on that thing? That's not good. That battery's gonna be completely useless. Ray's a mechanic.
Mecánico?
Yeah, he's a good mechanic.
Who?
Ray?
Is it?
Yeah.
No. It is?
Oh yeah. Do you got it?
Got it right. Finally.
I mean, I keep it off, but...
What's the gloves I gave
Huh?
you, Ray?
Just, what do you take this off and then
Yeah,
just
all
put
the
it
way
in
off.
here?
Este güey se trajo todo. Mira, güey.
What? What?
I got the screw.
Oh, come on, Ray. Why don't you just put it on before you start messing with
I
it?
was putting it on my finger and just whoop, whoop, whoop.
Where is it?
Right there.
Where?